Color has always been a big part of my photography. I never really shot in black and white. I've edited photos to make them monochrome, but I never had the experience of shooting just black and white. A couple of months ago, I heard about a mirrorless camera that only produces black and white images.
What?
And while I know that it's not for me, I was intrigued. At the same time, it occurred to me that most of the images that I love from photographers that I admire are shot in monochrome. I decided that I would try to study black and white photography. I know that most principles from color photography still apply, but some things are just different, and there are mindset shifts that I need to employ. In this video, I'll share my learnings and thoughts about black and white photography. Since this is my first time, I won't be giving extensive insights, but I'll be happy to do that in the future as I learn more. I'm excited because I'm not sure whether or not I'll have good images at the end of the day. Since there's no color, we have to find other elements that will make the frame more interesting, like contrast, textures, and shapes. Be extra mindful of framing. In the absence of color, subjects won't stand out because of the color of what they're wearing. I should have mentioned this first. To maximize your learning, I think it's essential to shoot black and white on purpose and not treat it as a filter. This is probably why some modern cameras only produce monochrome images. Limitations force you to be more creative. Find ways to minimize distractions. This overlaps with framing, contrast, and the things that I mentioned earlier. But there are other things that you can do to reduce distractions in the frame. Change your shooting angle. shoot from a different vantage point. Use reflections. Aim for abstraction. After a day of only shooting black and white, I have two thoughts. First is that there is so much to learn in black and white photography. And second, it's gratifying. I'll shoot some more. If you enjoyed this, please share and subscribe, and keep shooting.